Look, I'm gonna need to do a little bit better than that, DoorDash. A little bit better. Like 3 times as good. Cause that was stupid. That order would have took me a whole hour. Drop it off and to get back, cause I ain't getting no order. Wherever 11 miles away is, I ain't getting no order over there. I know that. Yeah, they tripping. They smoking drugs. Good ones. Were you at 22% and can dash now? In a busy market? What's this? 625 for 3 miles? Nah, I don't do 625 for 3 miles. I did 725. But it's 625 and it's Taco Bell. They ain't even had the last order ready. I ain't taking that. 625, 3 miles. We about to pull this thing over. We about to pull this thing over. Let's decline that and see what come in next. So that's 2 offers. DoorDash, listen. Let me explain something to you. Just because the Dasher Rewards program went live in your market a couple months ago, whatever, that don't mean nothing. Okay? I be trying to tell people this. Every time DoorDash do an update, every time they, revamp the app, it look different. You got different stuff going on. Every time they do that, they trick a whole bunch of Dashers. Because the simple reality is, you still gonna have the same unless they grab 1,000 people from the next dimension over parallel to ours, and then they now live in our dimension. Your order flow in your market is gonna be the same as it was yesterday, and the day before that, and the day before that. It ain't no new residents moving into your zone to increase the order flow. It ain't no, new customers to say, oh, you know what? I never ordered DoorDash before, but you know what? Today's gonna be the first day, and if I like it, I'm gonna keep doing it. Ain't no people like that. The kids that's born, it's kids in high school and in elementary school, and they order DoorDash 2-day school. So what you got to realize is the amount of customers that we got to service, bring them their food. It is what it is. It's at where it's at. It's not going to increase. New people ain't finna come from another country and live over here and start placing orders. Nope. So acceptance rate don't matter. Platinum don't matter. None of that shit matter. Only thing that matter is, do you know when your market is busy enough for you to get orders? Now, it might matter to an extent, like the types of orders you see. Maybe somebody else seeing something better than me quicker. Who knows? But in my experience, the same types of orders is out there, regardless of what new user interface they put on or what new banner they put up there, platinum, gold, silver, diamond order, large. It don't matter. It's the same orders out there. The same people who placed that catering order last time that you got a $50 tip on, they gonna place that same order. They not finna go call for their friends and say, hey, I placed a catering order and it went smoothly. Maybe you should come over here and place a catering order too. It don't work like that. So DoorDash is just tricking us, the Dashers, into thinking that something didn't change. Ain't shit changed. The same order, paying the same money, going to the same house, and the same person ordered it. So what is new? What is new? Only thing is new is how it look when they send it to your phone. That's it. $9.75 for 5 miles. At Wingstop, it's not happening. You're not going to Wingstop to wait for 10 minutes to drive 5 miles away. Now, if this was 11, 12, maybe I would think about it a little bit more, but for this price, I ain't even got to use no brain power. I'm just gonna decline it. You feel me? For 9.7 miles, I need $20. I'm changing my whole mindset. You should, because DoorDash, listen, their whole job is to manipulate us into getting more deliveries done. Regardless of those more deliveries make us more money. They not worried about that part. They just want us to do more orders than we've been doing. And I'm trying to make more money than I've been making. So for me, doing more orders don't increase my money. Being selective on the orders I take, that make me more money. And that's just the way I do it, man. I ain't about to let these companies, I ain't about to let them wring me out like a damn rag. Look at this. Look at all these orders I'm getting. Motherfucker got a 21%